Hello everyone, welcome again to another market update. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone had a great day. Let's jump in right away. So let's take a look at SPY. You had a choppy day, a down day in the market. And like I said, this week is a short week and we're going to be seeing some below average volume. So we actually saw our lowest volume day so far this year at 48.5 million. And you see our average volume on SPY there is 70.5, so very slow day. And this is to be expected, guys, on a choppy and a short week. So, but our names, guys, are doing well. So let's look at our first name, Robinhood. I told you guys I'm in Robinhood. I'm still in my position. I have my IRA, my long position, and I do have my calls. I entered another today, so I now have a larger position. I'm in the $20 April 19th calls for Robinhood, and I'm going to hold these fuckers because I think we're going to see some up moves here, some good buying pressure. We're breaking levels, and it's looking good, guys. Not financial advice. So I don't want to waste your guys' time. It's a short week, so I want to keep it short because nothing really changed too much. So let's just move on. So second name, NVDA. I've been telling you guys, we've been talking about on my channel since I started posting. NVIDIA higher, and we got another green day of NVIDIA. So there was some negative chip news in the morning with Intel and AMD, some bans out of China. And so some of the other companies actually benefited off that and did really well. And at the end of the day, AMD and Intel both wound up bouncing. So I still have my SMH position. I actually sold out of my NVIDIA this morning when it popped. I got out of it for like a $40 profit. It's just so volatile, and I was kind of getting annoyed holding it. So I'm probably just going to enter a larger, another SMH contract tomorrow. So yeah, there's that, guys. We're over levels. We're over the levels we needed to be. We got a daily close over 925. It's looking very bullish. And yeah, as I said, I told you guys, even if SPY is down, the market's down, we can still have plays that go green. And the chips would probably stay green. And that's exactly what's happened. So yeah, let's move on. So next play, Uber. I told you guys about this. I actually entered Uber this morning a little prematurely. I thought we were going to get that $81 push over at like 10:30. And I bought a $85 call, and I'm down a little bit on that right now, but I have a month on it, and I'm going to hold that. So there's that. You still need that daily close above 81, and so right now it's looking pretty good. And you got earnings coming up around a month from now. I think the 30th of April, we're going to start getting earnings rolling up soon. So yeah, I expect that to do well, and I'm going to hold this into earnings most likely. So yeah, let's move on, guys. What was the final play? So final play, and that's it for stocks. There's 3 plays for you guys, our plays that we're in right now, not financial advice. But if you're following along, and if you've been following along with what I'm doing with the levels I've been outlining, everything's been looking great. But let's move on now. I haven't talked about crypto since my first video when I told you guys about the Solana breakout, and we wound up getting that 150 break. By the way, Solana's still looking great. But this is another one I've had my name on, so it's getting a really nice day you see here today. In the past like 24 hours, it's just absolutely ripped up. And you're breaking levels. Is just the technical play here. This thing actually launched, had a really sloppy launch. It launched at the peak of the market, and it wound up selling off. Like it launched like right before FTX collapsed, and it just was pretty ugly for them. So it's a very interesting project, actually, ICP, if you want to look into the fundamentals, internet computer. But technically speaking, it's breaking out. I've been keeping my eye on this thing. I got a small bag on Coinbase. I don't trade crypto on Robinhood. I'm just using this to show you guys because I like the interface. But yeah, keep your eyes on this, and you're basically in price discovery, local highs, looking really good. You're honestly like smooth sailing. If you get above 24, you got a pretty nice gap to fill up to like $35-40. So that's looking pretty solid. Not financial advice. Keep your eye on this thing, guys. And as always, I appreciate everybody watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment. Consider subscribing. And happy trading. Make sure you guys are using risk management. Have a good one, guys. Peace.